Today I'm going to be building the ultimate editing PC. Wait, that's not where we left off. That's more like it.
This is the captain speaking. My name is Mark McDonald.
So my wife and I moved from Qatar to Toronto with a whole new life ahead of us. First step, find a place to live. In Toronto, that's near impossible to do within 2 weeks, considering Toronto's rental vacancy rate of a mere 0.7%. But we did it. Found a place in Harbourfront, went through the IKEA experience, and spent most of the past month figuring out our way around the city and its transit system. No car this year, and it feels great. Now that I'm back to vlogging and planning on making a living for media and content creation, today I'm going to be building the ultimate editing PC. The components I'll be using: the Prime X299 Deluxe motherboard for its Thunderbolt, Intel's i9 12-core processor. To cool that, the Kraken X62 280mm liquid cooler, the Asus GTX 1080 Ti graphics card, RGB lit 64GB DDR4 RAM, a Samsung 1TB SSD for apps and plugins, a crucial 2TB SSD for online media, a standard 4TB Seagate for assets and backup, RGB replacement fans for the water cooler, some tools, an EVGA 750W power supply, all to be enclosed in a Corsair 460X ATX mid-tower. So if you're looking to build one yourself, I recommend getting a bigger, more comfortable case to work with, unless you're looking for that small form factor. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and be sure to subscribe for more.